ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. Certificate courses. You may be already having the certificate courses in your college. In the NAC assessment, there is a weightage for the certificate course. It is to the extent of 30. It is a good weightage. So it is necessary to frame the certificate courses in the institution. The duration for the certificate course as per the NAC requirement is minimum 30 hours. You can frame the certificate courses taking into consideration of local needs, that is better. Whatever the locally available infrastructure, whatever the infrastructure is available in the institution, resource persons, you have to identify all those things. Some new certificate courses if you can introduce which has to be beyond curriculum, then that will be interesting to the students. And your certificate course, it is better if it is having some activities also. Now say for example, if your area is agriculturally rich, if the occupation in that area is agriculture, in that case you can form the certificate course related to the agriculture itself. There the resource person will be the farmer, and you can take interested students to the farm, and farmer will train them. You can go for the horticulture, you can go for the floriculture. If that area is rich in heritage, then in that case, if that is a tourist center, in that case you can have the certificate course related to tourism. Similarly, if there are good number of banks in that area, you can have the tie-up with the banks. You can have the certificate courses related to the bank, so that the students can visit the banks, they can learn something there. You can have the linkages with the bank. You may have the certificate course account writing, and business related to the business. If there is a business center related to the business, you frame the certificate courses. And in that fashion, if that area is rich in industries, industry related certificate courses you can frame. If there are good number of automobiles, then that related certificate courses you can frame. Apart from this one, you can also have the skill development certificate courses, like yoga or computing or soft skill or English speaking course or communication skill. In that fashion you can have the certificate courses. So these certificate courses which are related to the skill development will also support the capacity building for the students. You can claim there also, you can claim here in the certificate course also. One thing you remember, my friends, you have to involve all the students in the certificate course, and you have to insist them to take or complete at least one certificate course per year. By the time they complete their degree, they will be going out with 3 certificate courses. You can leave the choice to them. In the timetable, how to adjust this one? In one institution, example I am telling you, they have kept certificate courses on Saturday afternoon. Up to the Saturday afternoon, there are other classes, and Saturday afternoon there are no other classes in the timetable. That is totally earmarked for the certificate courses, during which all the students will be free, all the staff will be free, and naturally there will be no overlapping. There will be no problem at all, and successfully one can complete the certificate course. Students' participation is very important. And while framing the certificate course, while framing the curriculum or the syllabus, you get the feedback from the students, from the parents, from the alumni, from the staff, from the management. So like that, from all the stakeholders, you can take the feedback, and depending on the feedback also, you can form these certificate courses. So these certificate courses are very important, and all the 5 years the certificate courses you have to run. Now, say for example, first year you are having 10 certificate courses in the institution, and second year what you do, you add some more certificate courses. Continue the first year 10, and second year whatever. Suppose if you add 5 certificate courses during second year, then second year you should run 15 certificate courses. Then next year another 5, 20, like that. Every year the previous certificate courses you don't leave. And take care that every department is having the certificate courses, because during the departmental presentation they also should say that our department is having so many certificate courses and so many students have taken that certificate courses, so many students have completed that certificate course all these 5 years. That information they can furnish during their presentation. In this fashion you can have the certificate courses in the institution and successfully you can complete the certificate courses. I wish you all the very best of luck. Good luck. Thank you.